Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. We launched another workshop in Bengaluru, so next month. So if you are interested, you can check the description. You can subscribe for the workshop. Today morning, I just mentioned that this market is going to be very volatile because of weekly expiry. So the markets were really volatile. GIF Nifty was indicating like 30-40 point lower opening, but market shot up, then again fell 100 point, again shot up 100 point, again fell 100 point. So markets were going all over the places. For most part of the day, so I thought definitely the Nifty will be closing above 25,180. For the last few days, I've been telling you that if the Nifty closes above 25,180, so technically the market can become long. But although Nifty traded above 25,180 for major part of the day, in fact Nifty spot even crossed 25,200. But despite that, in the last 1 hour selling, the market came down. The Nifty closed below 25,180. But first, let us look at the positives. Number one, Nifty is up for 4 straight days. If you look at the last 12 trading sessions, out of the last 12 trading sessions, 8 trading sessions continuously market was falling. Then the next 4 continuous trading session, market is moving higher. So today is the 4th day, it is still a green candle. Although Nifty closed much lower than intraday high, but still it is a green candle. So second good thing is that though Nifty was moving higher yesterday as well as day before yesterday, but the volatility index also spiked. And today the volatility index has come down. And number 3, the banking stocks. So it has outperformed the other sectors. Today the banking and auto outperform the market. Whereas IT and FMCG, I think FMCG index has not been doing well for the last 1 year. So initially it was the Bank Nifty, then later after August 15, when Prime Minister announced the GST reduction, the auto index, only these 2 indices are doing well. So today the Bank Nifty has done exceedingly well. However, it was only the private sector bank, but not the public sector bank. Public sector bank index is actually down roughly about 0.5%. So now the weekly expiry is over. So from tomorrow, we'll start for the next weekly expiry. So that is from tomorrow until next Tuesday. And meanwhile, we will be getting important result. So the result season starts with TCS, and TCS is coming out with results on Thursday evening. So that will be factored in on Friday only. IT index is beaten down, especially between last quarter result and this quarter result. TCS has fallen from 4,500 to below 3,000. So usually what happens, just few days before the actual results, people will like to square up their short position. Because for one or the other reason, if the results are good, if there's a huge upside move, they'll be in trouble. So probably that is what actually happened yesterday, but today again IT stocks started falling. Infosys will be coming out with the results of following Thursday, but this Thursday TCS, so that will be in focus for next 2 trading sessions. Usually the result season, the markets will be going all over the places, but so far 1 week, 4 trading session, because 1 trading session was a public holiday, October 2, Gandhi Jayanti. So all the 4 trading sessions, market moved continuously higher. Usually October, especially the Deepavali time, markets tend to be very positive. and especially, the GST has been reduced with effect from September 22. So from September 1 to 21, it was the old GST. September 2 to September 30 is the new reduced GST. But the GST collection has shot up from 1.72 lakh crore to 1.89 lakh crore, I think. So the government actually got about 17,000 crore extra money after reducing. Now look at the October series, and October month is a festival month, and October full month they reduced the GST. So probably, the government may even collect 2 lakh crore this month. So festival cheer and everything is going well as of now. But however, there are some negatives also. Number one, the FIIs are still selling, and I think they will continue to sell. And the markets, losing some kind of a momentum today. So there is some distinctly profit booking was visible today compared to last 3 days. But meanwhile, US futures were lower when we were trading, but now the US futures are also turning to positive. European markets were negative, they are also turning positive. So now the weekly expiry is over, so market may continue the uptrend and keep watching for a closing above 25,180 to be long in this market. So otherwise, stock specific, I think during the next 1 week, it will be most of the IT stocks like Tech Mahindra, Infosys, TCS, HCL Technology, plus Axis Bank, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank. So they all will be coming out with results. ICICI Bank and HDFC Bank will be coming out with results next Saturday, Sunday. And Axis Bank is coming Tuesday or Wednesday next week. So this is the first time. Usually Axis Bank results come later, but this time Axis Bank result is coming first before HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank. So next few weeks direction will be decided based on the corporate results. So we are hoping for some good corporate results this time because the last time the corporate results were not really very good. By looking at the quarterly business outlook, at least the banking stocks are likely to give good results. And IT, nobody is expecting them to give good results because they are already beaten down already. So let us see what's going to happen tomorrow. See you tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.